Where does the name for Camerton come from? So today I'm in Cumberland, just on the banks of the River Derwent, and this village behind me is called Camerton. Let's get into the name. Camerton is first recorded as Camberton in 1150. The second element is fairly straightforward. Tun is an Old English word meaning a farmstead, a homestead or a settlement, and it appears in place names all across England. The first element, however, is much less certain, and there are three main interpretations. One suggestion is that it's related to the Welsh word Cymer, meaning the confluence of two rivers. While this would make good topographical sense in many places, scholars have generally been sceptical in this case, as there is no major tributary joining the River Derwent here, only a handful of small streams. The other two interpretations both suggest that the first element is an Old English personal name. In the place names of Cumberland and Westmoreland, James Segfield suggests Coenburt, whilst Armstrong and his colleagues instead propose Cafmar. With the evidence available today, it's difficult to determine which, if any, of these interpretations is correct. On the edge of the village, almost enclosed by a sweeping meander of the River Derwent, stands St Peter's Church. The church is best known as the final resting place of Black Tom, Sir Thomas Curwen, a knight, Sheriff of Cumberland, and, according to local tradition, one of the finest archers of the late 15th and early 16th centuries. The village pub was named in his honour, and local legend claims that his ghost still haunts the churchyard. For much of its history, Camerton's economy centred on the River Derwent, particularly fishing. During the Industrial Revolution, the village also developed coal and clay pits, along with a brickworks, which became important local employers. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.